Hi guys, so we're back again with some more isolation creations. It's me, Magic Matt, and I'm going to be making a twist on a voodoo cocktail. Let's get going. So it's quite a boozy one, as is not normally the case. So we're going to have 60ml of rum each. So I'm making two, one for me, one for our lass. So that's a lot of booze going in there. You want 22.5ml of your Sweet Vermouth. I don't have Sweet Vermouth, so I'm using a port. So it's another type of fortified wine. It's the closest I've got in the house. If you're a traditionalist, then yes, put Sweet Vermouth in. Alright, 15ml of lime juice each. Delish. Alright, so you want some 75 millilitres of apple juice per cocktail. And then you're going to put in 7.5 mils of gum. And then we're going to go ahead and ice that up and give it a good old shake. Now all your sugars from your apple juice should make it nice and frothy. So we'll see what happens. Should be big guys. Well, I wasn't expecting that as a colour, to be fair. So you see how it's gone really nice and frothy? That's what we want. And then you get a little bit of cinnamon. Give that a little bit of a grate on top. Bit of a grate on top. Get a match. Give it a burn for a few seconds, just to have a bit of a smell of that cinnamon. There you have it. Some voodoo cocktails. Cheers. Actually, it looks quite Christmassy to this one. It's really good. Cheers, Niall.